What's up everybody, I hope you're all doing great. Welcome to Cilinix Crypto, and in the next few minutes we'll be doing a price analysis and a little bit of a price prediction on Ethereum or Ether. I think that's the technical way to say it. Abbreviation or ticker is ETH. So this is kind of like an update. I last did an analysis on this when the price was down here, around here at least, and after that obviously the whole market became quite a lot more bullish. I mean, Ethereum went up from this level it was at all the way up to 3050 almost, a rise of 18%, and now we're actually struggling with breaking through that exact level at 3050. If we look at the volume, I mean, it's down a little bit, but it's still, well, just normal, to be honest. I mean, if you look at it, it's around the same area. It always is. It's relatively high, I guess you could say, but still. So we are struggling with 3050, and that's the main area we need to break. With these circumstances, these specific fundamentals, I do think we're able to break it. As soon as we break it, we're probably going up all the way to 3200, or at least that level just before that. So the full area, I guess you could say, is like 3140 up until 3200. And from there, I do think we'll find resistance, but I think that's a great thing over the long term that we actually managed to reach that area again. So from there, probably do something like this and maybe even drop down to that 2900, 3000 area again. But still, as I said, over the long term, I think that's a great thing. Main thing, as I said, we do need to break 3040 or 3050 before we can actually do that. So yeah, as of right now, this seems quite likely, but as you all know, there's a lot going on in the world and the fundamentals could change fairly quickly. So if those fundamentals change, or we really do not manage to break 3050 within like the next 2 to 3 days, then I think it is more likely that we're actually going to be dropping down a little bit more to, let's say, 2800. I drew it down here a little bit more, but I think if the fundamentals don't become too bearish, I mean, obviously if really bad news comes out, we're dropping down all the way to 2600. But if it remains relatively stable, I think we're so if we don't break that 3050 area, then I think we're dropping down to, first of all, 2860, maybe find a small consolidation on top of that, but eventually drop down all the way to 2800, that level, which, as I said, I do think will hold if the circumstances stay the same. And then it's just waiting for us to break the 2900 again, if we have found support at 2800. And as soon as we do that, we have the opportunity again to actually do the same scenario as I just explained by breaking that 3050 area. So, but then it would just take a little bit longer. So yeah, that's basically my analysis for now on Ethereum. It might have been a little bit too much and too quickly. So if anything I said confuses you, or you haven't got anything, everything I said, if you have any questions about it, please let me know down in the comments, and I'll make sure to respond to that as soon as possible. As for now though, thank you all for watching and listening, and I hope to see you all in my next videos. Bye.